Hi, Robert. I spoke to Amber earlier. My name's Scott Walker with Impact Latent SEO, and I wanted to shoot over this quick video showing some tips and tricks that you can do in-house to help bring in more business using your website and Google Business Profile. I would appreciate to hear your feedback about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful and educational for you as well. So here's your site right here. I do love your logo right here with the pipes. Thought that's great. And having your, click to call up here is great too. But one thing I did notice is that, you have a decent amount of content, but I would recommend adding more. The reason for that is Google loves to see content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to add keywords, which are things that you could be found for in Google, kind of like a service and a location. And another good thing that you could do is any videos, pictures, anything like that, if you save their alt text as a keyword, that counts as content as well. So I went ahead and put your website into a tool I use called Ahrefs. This will give me your analytics and kind of show me where you're setting right now. The UR and DR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. This is on a scale of 100, and you want to try and keep these balanced and moving up continuously. You're currently at 25 strength with 3.6 trust. And by implementing the strategies here, these will boost your numbers here. But you're at a 3.6 trust because of your backlinks and referring domains. And what a backlink is when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so I do recommend that you avoid the spammy backlinks and try and go for the more authoritative backlinks. And you do that by staying within your industry and also your location. And then also you're being indexed for 568 keywords, and you're getting about 100 people to your website each and every month, which is a decent amount, but based off of that, you're probably using your website more as a digital business card as opposed to an online lead generating tool that can produce an ROI for you. So looking at some of the organic keywords that you're being indexed for, you want to try and keep it to where it's buyer intent. And so like sump pump repair Boise, Idaho, there's 80 searches and you're on the bottom of the first page of Google for it. But I'll show you a couple. There's like A+ plumbing is not really a buyer intent keyword. Sewer cleaning Boise, you're on the second page. So these are, there's a lot of keywords in here, but they're not buyer intent keywords. So just by looking at, Plumber's Nampa right here, you get your Google guaranteed services up top, and then it looks like none are running, but usually there's some local ads right here as well. And this is a great way to generate traffic quickly for you, or business, I mean. Whereas being up here in the Google Business Profile or Google Map Pack will generate a lot of traffic for you. And it's fine that you're not in the Google Business Profile right now. There are so many ways to get up here. You could start by adding reviews constantly. You want to make sure that your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet because you don't want to mislead Google. And then there's also a 750 character About Us section at the bottom of the page that you can fill out. And don't forget to add keywords in as well in there. And then I really recommend posting branded, geotagged, or geolocated pictures weekly because this shows Google that you're growing your business organically. And then adding citations, which is your business name, address, and phone number into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp helps a lot because Google's like a big popularity contest. And by giving out your information to as many people as possible, it will make Google start to trust you more, and that will boost your business. And that's not only in your area, but the surrounding areas as well. And then by being in the Google Map Pack, this will give you about 30 to 40% of the traffic that goes to your website and gives you a call right from here. And then you go down into your organics. These top three right here are actually all directories. And then this right here, Master Router, they're probably your number one competitor for your organics for this particular keyword here. And if we go to their website right here, looking here, they have a decent amount of content as well. But by having more content, better keywords, getting those more authoritative backlinks, and then also adding citations, you could start outranking these guys. And if you look right here, I'm just kind of showing you, I did Nampa and then plumbing here. There's 300 searches each and every month for Nampa Plumber. There's an additional 300 for Nampa Plumbing. So, there's a decent amount of volume for a plumber in Nampa. And once you outrank your competitors, a certain percentage of this volume will start going to your website instead of theirs. And the people going to your website, a percentage of that will give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer. So I really hope that this video was helpful. I again would appreciate to hear your feedback and thoughts. I appreciate your time and thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.